We are live. No Footwork every day. Marcus Body Coding Live. Remember, you see, we do. No excuses. Are you ready to see the new move? Cross tap 3. Let's go. Yeah, amazing. Let's do it together. Remember, no excuses. I switch the cameras. Yeah, now let's start with the left, but we can start also with the right. The same movement. Now let's start with the left. We open, we cross to the back, we open and we tap. Now with the right. We open, we cross to the back, we open and we tap again with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again with the left. We open, we cross to the back, we open and tap. We open, cross to the back, open and tap. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. It can be also 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. I know I said last time, but let's do it another time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing. Amazing. Remember, this is Marcus Body Coding. We code universal moves. So this move that you just saw, cross tap 3, that by the way is cross 3 with the tap. This is the code of the day, the move of the day, the footwork of the day. But what makes it universal? Yeah, it's universal. It means that you can do it in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, Bachata, Kizomba, Rumba, Samba, Samba, whatever style that you want. Yeah. Wait. You're still here? Even more amazing. Let's do another practice. Remember, no excuses. So right now, imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Imagine yourself staring in the mirror. Now we'll do with the left. Are you ready? Let's go. Starting with the left. We step to the side, cross to the back, step and tap. We step to the side, cross to the back, step and tap. By the way, this is the Bachata basic as well. Let's go with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. You can add the shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow again. Open, cross, open, step, open, cross, open, tap, open, cross, open, tap, open, cross, open, tap. Yeah, amazing or not amazing? I cannot believe that you stayed till now. Whoa. I take it as a huge compliment for you to hang out here with me in Iceland during sunrise. You see the sunrise over there? Yeah, pretty romantic. Either way, I remind you, Marcus Body Coding. We code the move. This move, some people might call it Grapevine. I have no idea why they call it that, but this is one of the names. Some other, it's also the Bachata basic, but we call that cross tap 3. Why? Because we do a cross and a tap. Does it make sense or does it make sense? Either way, my assignment for you today is to do this move in today's party. Yeah, do it in today's party. But what happens if you forget the move? What happens? You go to the side, you hide behind the bush so nobody sees, yeah? You go low, you take your phone, and you practice on the grass. Yes, you practice on the grass, on the pavement. Then you go back to the party. And you do the move. Amazing or not amazing? But the important part is to do it today. Yeah, today. Why today? Because tomorrow there's no footwork. No footwork every day. Marcus Bodycoding Live. So, meet you tomorrow for no footwork. See you tomorrow then.